Well, fellas, another successful day here at work. We did this big old driveway. I think it was like 20 to 30 yards. It's brushed. It's picture framed. Let me show you all the details, man. Look at, oh man, real man hands, I'm telling you. So we got the broom, swept it. Then we grabbed the edger, edged it. Man, that's what you call a driveway. Look at this beautiful house, man. Man, I'll be living in the suburbs once I make it in this YouTube, man. Yes, sir. This one, no. Let me take out to the next one that we just did. workout. We did bench today. We did a 3x4 of like a 60 to 7 RP. Yeah, I put 265 on, made it look light. I'm trying to fix my bench form because I don't count it no more if my feet are like on my tippy toes, like, you know what I mean? And then if my butt goes off the bench, I don't want to count it, because once I start powerlifting like in meets and stuff, I don't want to fail. I'm trying to fix my form right now so I can get better at it, and I can just get stronger like that. But hey, like I said, we did the bench, and then we did some shoulders. We did some Arnold press, some lateral raises, some upright rows, stuff like that, man. But I'm done for today, so I'm about to head on home now. And that's all for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post. So without further ado, I'm out. Iron Bangers. Keep banging them weights. Peace.